Okay, so we are going to express divine flexibility this morning. The internet situation here at this hotel is very interesting. It worked yesterday, but it doesn't want to today. So we will always be able to find a way and a place to serve, to sing, to chant together, to bring more light to the Mother Earth planet. Too bad, that's a good spot. Okay, so we can go outside. How about that? Okay, outside is good. We had a nice little rain this morning, so we'll just do our chant. No, we won't. Okay. Testing. So we will just call our beloved one, beloved Kuan Yin Ling Wei Sheng Shi, the Bei Zhou Buddhas, to come be with us, our heavens teams, our protection teams. Hey, that's the end of the leash right there. Funny. Okay, we're just going to stand in place. Maybe peek through this door where it's very pretty on the other side and do our practice here. So we say to Kuan Yin, thank you for your living presence with us. Thank you those who walk with us, protect us, guard us, guide us. Okay, let's chant real quick until I figure this internet thing out. Okay. We deeply apologize to all souls for the harm we have caused any soul. Please forgive us. We will serve more. We will bring light. We forgive all souls unconditionally for everything. Thank you, the great teacher. We offer all virtue back to you. Thank you all who walk with us on this journey. Deepest gratitude and love. Thank you. Da Bei Zhou. Chencho Chenyan da Sarabi Guangde Yuan Man Wu I Da Bei Shin Toloni. Chencho Chenyan da Sarabi Guangde Yuan Man Wu I Da Bei Shin Toloni. Chencho Chenyan da Sarabi Guangde Yuan Man Wu I Da Bei Shin Toloni. Nan mo hela da nu dolo ye ye ne mo li ye bolo je di sobana ya puti saro puya mo hu saro poya mo jao ni jaya ansaban la fa yi sura nu da sha namashi li do yi mong ye ye bolo je di she fo la lang to po nan manu la jin she shi li mo hu ban of sa mi sa po to du shu pang mo she yun Sapo sadwo namapo cha mo fa te do da je to an mo po lu shi lu ja di cha lo di shi li mo hu pu ti sa do sapo mo la mo shi li to yun ju lu je mang du lu fa shi ye di. You're welcome. Of course.
Have a good day.
Mo fa she ye di tolo sai li ni shi fo la ye je la mo fa mo la mo di li yi shi shen nu mo la shang fo la she li fa shang fo la she ye hu lu mo la hu lu shi li So la, shi li, sulu, putoya, mi di li, nu la jin che, sai li sa ni nu poya mo, nu so po, shi to, ye so po, mo hu shi to, ye so po, shi to yu, yi so banaya, so po, nu la jin che, so po, mo la nu la so po, shi la sang mo che ye, so po hu so po mo hu wo shi tuo ye so po hu mo po li shang zhe ji la wo shi tuo ye so po hu bo tong zhe shi tuo ye so po hu nu la jin che ban che la ye so po hu mo po li shang ji la ye so po hu nan mo he la da nu do le ye ye na mo mo ye ye po le je di so na ye so po hu an chi den du man do la ban to ye so po hu xin yang sheng zhuang yan so po hu sheng wan sheng zhuang yan so po hu mo jie sheng zhuang yan so po hu an bo zhe la xi le xie so po hu. We made it. How? Thank you. Love you. Pause. Thank you. So, it's always an adventure. So happy to serve. Maybe I can find a way into this marvelous spot tomorrow. We'll see. So have a great day. We give our deep gratitude to Kuan Yin, all the Buddhas, all the beings of light, all of our spiritual companions, to the great teacher, to the infinity of heaven and all who dwell there. Thank you. Love you. Deepest gratitude and love. Please respectfully return to your abodes. Deepest gratitude. Gong song. Love you. All right, so have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll be back tomorrow, more or less, probably the same time, and we will see you there. Okay, love you. Bye-bye.